Hi, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. My name is Rose, and today we're going to focus on Christmas earrings. The set we're making today is fairly simple because you're a very busy person during the holidays. You've got lots to do. Keep those earrings simple so you can make lots for your bazaar or your gift giving. This particular pair is going to start off with a hammered ring, a cute little snowman charm. You can use any charm you like, a jump ring, an eye pin, a glass bead. Again, choose the color of your preference. And then finally an ear wire. And of course, any ear wire that makes you happy works great. Okay, so to start off, I always start with the hard part, which is to take that eye pin, put on the bead, and make a simple loop. You may have seen how to do one, but I'm going to show you again just in case. First step is to make a 90-degree bend in the top of that eye pin. I put my thumbnail in there and just push it over against my thumb like that. Now, if you're not strong enough or you got weak nails or short nails, all you have to do is use a pair of bent chain nose pliers instead. Once I've got that bent over like that, I'm going to trim it down to about that long. I've done this a lot, so I know about the length I want. And I'm always careful to protect my cameraman. That piece of wire is not going to fly into his eyes. And then we'll grab the round nose pliers, grip this, rotate up and over like that, about halfway around. Remove the pliers, put in the bottom jaw, and finish the loop. And you can do a little bit of tweaking to make sure it's tight and closed up nice. Now, one thing I am specific about this to make my snowman lay right is these two loops have to have the same orientation or my snowman's going to hang sideways. So I use both pairs of my pliers, grip one loop here, grip one loop here, and just twist it until they are the same direction. So now both loops are the same direction. My snowman will be happy. Now that was the tough part. Here comes the easy part. Pick up the jump ring, open it, and with jump rings you always twist them open. Put on the hoop, put on the snowman, put on the bead you just made a loop in, and close the jump ring. Don't strain yourselves here. There we go. And the last thing we have to do is put on the ear wire. This is an open loop ear wire, so it's simple enough to just open it up just like you were opening a jump ring. And then put your snowman onto there. Make sure your snowman's oriented the right way so the front of your snowman shows. We're not going to show off the back half of the snowman. Close it up, and there you go. You have a cute little snowman earring that you can customize and personalize the way you want for your bazaar, for your gift-giving pleasure. Thank you for joining me at the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Enjoy this and all the other great projects we have for you. You can find all these supplies at firemountaingems.com.